So next problem. So we're going to solve single angles. Okay, so we're going to determine the available shear strength of A572. Anyway, for 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 uh for uh for channels, as you can see here, the naming for A572 is 345 megapascal. So for grade 15, no? For ASTM standard. So yun yung pangalan nila. Okay, but if for grade 15 naman, for W section, A992. So A992 is designated for W section. Okay, then A572, okay, is designated for other shape, especially for channel, okay, for angle. Yan. So A572. A992 is only for W section, no? Specifically made for W section. Ang FY niya is 345 megapascal. Okay, so let's solve this, no? Single angle. When we put a single angle as a member for flexure, so it must be positioned such that the longer leg will resist the shear. So like that. Okay. Because the longer leg is this axis is stronger. What axis is this? This is the x-axis, no? The longer leg is always larger, stronger than the weaker axis in terms of bending and even in terms of shear, because this is larger area than the area of this shorter leg. So you have to place the long leg as your vertical member, no, in placing single angles. So determine the available strength of L12776.4. These are the properties that you need for calculating um the angles. Now for angles, that is not angle is not a double symmetric nor single symmetric nor channels. Okay, so anong gagamitin natin? Na code. So this is for transverse stiffeners 57.2, 0.3, hindi yan class, but this is the one na gagamitin natin for single angles. Actually, sinabi niya na dito yung CV. Yes, nagbanggit ng KV, but you don't need this because you only need CV in calculating for VN, uh, for VN, angle leg shall be determined equation 507.2-1. So we are going to use this formula, 507.2-1. Okay. Ayan, 507.2-1. CV is 1.0. Okay, so that's it, no? CB is 1.0. You don't have to calculate. Unlike this one, okay, we are comparing this, kung ano magiging CV dyan. But fortunately for channel, CB is also 1.0, no? Okay. And for angles, for all rolled channels, no? Possible if your channel is built up. Okay, possible dito siya. But we will only focusing on the, ano, no? We'll only focus on the rolled sections. So mostly, masasatisfy natin 1.0 for channels. And, okay, for angles, this one. Ito ang gagamitin natin, class. Okay, sorry, CV is 1.0. And the formula for VN is still same as what we've used from the W section and channels. No? For single angles, 1.0 ang CV. Okay. And AW class is BT, where B is the width of the leg resisting the shear force, which is the longer leg. Yung B natin, the dimension of the longer leg. Okay. So this one, if you are going to draw this is your B. Okay, this is your B. The longer leg is your B. And to calculate the AW, so which you need, no, in calculating the AW, no? So B times the thickness of the uniform thickness naman yung angle, 6.35. Okay, so for all single angles with B as the leg of the resisting shear force, CV is 1.0. Okay, you don't have to check the H over TW, no? Okay, kasi you only need that in calculating the CV. Sabi naman, CV is already 1.0. So you don't have to check the H over TW. Okay, kasi may CV ka na. Ginagawa mo lang to to solve the CV. Okay, so, and again, 0.9 reduction factor and 1.67. Kasi ang gumagamit lang naman ng the only shape which uses other reduction factor is rolled. Then the rest should use 0.9 and 1.67. For W section, which satisfy this condition, use these factors. So therefore, for single angles, 0.9, 1.67. Okay, for the nominal shear strength, Vn 0.6 Fy, AWCV. Okay, so AW is B times T. Okay, so B is 127, not the 76.2, times the thickness, 6.35. AW is 806.405. Calculate the nominal 0.6 Fy AW times the CV, which is always 1.0 for the single angles. Okay, so therefore, Vn is 1.66935 kilonewtons. Okay, so and available shear strength for LRFD use 0.9, for ESD use 1.67 as the reduction factor and safety factor respectively. Okay, so these are your answer for this problem.